Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2020 270SD-X with an outboard on it with a 300 horsepower. This boat is a phenomenal boat. It does everything well. You can beach it up onto the shore. It's got the black and white hull design on it. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270. Let's start at the back of the boat. Again, powered by the Mercury Verado. 300 horsepower, plenty of horsepower, hops right up on the plane, top end right around 40, high 40s to 50 miles an hour, plenty of speed. Storage is incredible because we don't have an outboard back here anymore. We've got a ton of storage, starting with this locker here, goes all the way in to the seats up there. You can hold skis, fishing poles, anything you want to put in there. You've got plenty of room. And then this one, where the engine used to be in the old boats, now it's just gigantic storage, so fantastic. We've got the sea deck all throughout the entire boat, which is real comfy on your feet. You've got the L-shaped seating here with a table, so very comfortable for half a dozen adults here. Another 3 adults on the other side opposing as well. And as we move over, you've got the seat here that does, you want to lounge, just pops. You can lounge backwards, uses it as a double seat here. And you've got the head, vacuum flush head, which is the top of the line there. That's exactly what you want in there, plenty of room. Then over at the helm, you've got very ergonomically correct design, real clean, real nice, real comfy. Again, a double seat if you want, but very comfortable for one person. Then you've got dry storage in here. You keep the table in there, you can keep your covers, you can keep your backpacks and all that stuff in there. We move to the bow, real comfortable area for another half a dozen people up here. Rails along the side. And then you've got the beach boarding ladder here, so you can drive it right up onto the beach, deploy the ladder, hop down on the sand. You don't even get your feet wet. Fantastic, great option, especially for down here. So it's a great all-around boat. It does everything very, very well. Handles the Gulf, handles the back waters. Just a tremendous boat for us, especially down in Naples. So if you got any questions or would like to make an appointment, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube.